In this demonstration, we're going to talk about creating a delayed site collection, and we'll also hit just some general functionality for site collections. So let's take a look first from Central Administration, and I want to see what site collections already exist on my installation here. So for this web application, this is my developer site. I've got demos, and I've also got demo types delayed site. Okay? So both of these are the same content database at this point.
The multi-code search tool in eCode 360 can help you find and use legislation from neighboring municipalities, rather than having to start with a blank slate. Let's say you need to draft legislation about the keeping of chickens. Log into eCode and click Multi-Code Search Tool to begin. Click in the State field and select your state. All of the municipalities in that state that have eCode 360 will be listed on the left. Narrow down the results by choosing a county. Further refine the list by choosing a government type. Select the municipalities that you want to search on. You can click on as many as you wish. If you mistakenly click one, just click it a second time to deselect it.
Within a minute or so, the work order syncs to your text device with the call information. For repeat customers, CoolFront's Glance Back feature shows your team the last 5 visits to the location, including who went, what they did, and how much was charged. Your tech is now armed with the needed info and ready to roll. At the job location, your tech diagnoses the problem. Now, CoolFront kicks into high gear. Your tech quickly searches the ginormous repair database included with the app, finds the repair needed, and taps Add. They present the resulting repair fee, which includes labor and parts, wrapped up in a flat rate price that's easy for your customer to understand. Your customer taps to approve the work, and your tech gets started on the repair. When done, your tech adds notes if needed, then emails the invoice to your customer and changes the status to completed. The status syncs back to the office in real time, so the office knows when to dispatch the tech to their next job. Now that's a smooth process.
If you have web pages open in Safari on your Mac, you can go to Safari on your iPad or iPhone and see those tabs and even switch to them. And it works in the other direction too. First, let's see what we have on the desktop. Right now I have Safari open and I have 2 tabs open. I want to do a web search, so I have Google. I also have Microsoft Bing. Ooh, that's a really cool video, isn't it? Now let's see what's going on the iPad. On the iPad, I'm in Safari and I have 3 tabs open. I have this page for the Department of Agriculture, and I have another tab here open for everybody's favorite place, the IRS.
Think of the federal aid process as an extended road trip with a series of required waypoints. It's a good idea to have a map that shows you where you're going and how to get there. This presentation will provide you a sound understanding of the 6 elements in a cradle-to-grave process that should be used as your baseline of activities in the creation of a transportation project.
There are 6 phases to the federal aid process. The first phase is planning the project. This includes initiating the job based on statewide transportation improvement programs, road conditions, and other inputs. The second phase is environmental review. This phase of the plan includes looking at alternatives to the project like mass transit. It also means evaluating the project's social, environmental, and economic impacts.
It's designed to change the perception of learning within the organization so that learning isn't something that they have to do, but something they want to do. Central to Artisan is the use of channels. So this is an idea that builds upon the experience we've gained through playlists and how our customers have implemented playlists or targeted learning paths. Channels are an easy and personalized way to pinpoint the courses, videos, books, and other resources available within a pre-curated package.
Upon arrival, avoid parking in the driveway or areas that block entrances or exits. Do not smoke on or around the property. Do not use inappropriate language on or around the property. Do not litter or leave anything behind, and avoid using the property's restroom. If you absolutely must take a personal call, get back into your vehicle where you have privacy. Your assignment objective is to capture imagery of the roof and property. Your imagery will be sent to a licensed insurance claims adjuster who will determine if there is damage to the property, determine how much damage exists, resolve the claim accordingly with their customer. It is not your objective to determine if there is damage or insurance coverage.